network creation. Okay, concept of custom network creation. And also I have shared end-to-end document, right or not? How to create. If you can go and check the document, we'll see. Okay, anyway, first I need to understand this is main lab, first lab. I can understand. EC2 creation is not a first lab. We are creating by using existing network. So I'm not considering that is not our first lab. This is our first lab. We are creating from the scratch everything, right? So this is my first lab. Tell me how many of you completed or not? How many of you yet to complete? Yet to complete. Why? What is the problem? I'm checking with offline first. Tell me what happened. Hmm? Non-ITs. First, I need to understand from you. Non-ITs. Any difficulties to understand the concepts? Any difficulties? Hmm? Laptop repair. Okay. So we discuss the concepts in very easy way. These are not easy concepts anyway, but we discuss in very easy way. What is our challenge to complete the task? No time, huh? Don't say no time. First of all. Yeah, you have understand concepts very well, but why you not completed, guys? Tell me the reason so that we'll go for the next topic. Tell me the reason, whoever not completed, why you are not completed. Fault is in my end, or your end, or your laptop end, or your time end. Tell me fault is in my end, I will explain one more time, I don't have any problem. Yeah, practice. This task completed or not. So everyone, please share the architecture today. Draw the architecture. Draw the architecture and share it into the group. Okay. So same like how I explain here. Same like you can draw the architecture, understand the architecture, and draw the architecture and explain the architecture. Okay. So let's go to the document once. What I have shared. This is the doc what I have shared with you. So only I have the received the architecture from only one person anyway. It's a good. Yeah. This is the document what I have prepared. Every lab I'm going to give a document, but still if you're not practice means it's not good, right? Also, Raj also prepared one document. Yes, Raj. He shared with me what he done. You are not good at documentation means learn. That's it, learn. No one is good at documentation. No one is good at draw the architecture, right? Learn. That's what. See, if you're not good at documentation means once you join in an organization, they will ask to prepare a document, what you did. Yeah, you need to delete resources after complete. See the steps configurations. I have explained one to one here if you can see. First creation of VPC, creation of internet gateway and attached to VPC, creation of subnet, subnet to route table, edit routes, subnet association, secret group creation, like this. And then finally creation of server in that network and finally connect the server also done. Okay. I mean, don't expect every lab kind of documents. The reason documents are there, we prepared almost all the documents with all the labs. But if you stick on the documents. Simply you can follow the document only. That is not at all good. These documents are for if you're having any questions, any blockers, then go through the document for future use purpose. For example, this is Terraform. So we prepare Terraform day 1 to day 18, same document. But when I will share this document after complete the Terraform, once you done the practice, I will share the document for your future use purpose. If I share the document, simply you can blindly go step by step process without like a follow the document step one, step two, like it's not at all good. The real time, no one can give the document, right? We have to prepare the document. We have to prepare the content. So earlier days, yes, I know the challenges are there. If you are from different backgrounds, non-ATs, career gap, I know that. That's what I'm giving the documents. So once we are fine with the content and all, simply slowly I'm not going to share the documents for the labs, but I will share the documents later for your goodness only. If I share the document, simply you can open the document. Step number 1, you can do step number 1. Step number 2, what is the use to do that? Even 10th class students also will do that. This is not a good practice. Document is for if you are having any challenges only. But my end enough documents. If you want to share, I will show you immediately. Complete package is there my end-to-end documents. Each tool. Even AWS full notes as available. DevOps Metal, if you can see. We have prepared paint notes. Paint notes means day one to day 125 days. What we are going to discuss here with index. This is paint notes. Okay, these are entry questions. Many people are asking entry questions, but this is not a right time to share the entry question. That's what I'm not sharing. 700 entry questions, including DevOps and cloud. These questions collecting from my colleagues, not to prepare from the internet. Colleagues and me. Till now, I have given 30 plus interviews, collected all the questions and making a document. My hobby is to collect the entry questions from my colleagues and me. So, and now it's a loading now. So these are the documents. This is main notes, notepad notes. You guys are asking every day, right? Notepad notes. So go for docs. These are the documents. Everything is ready. But if I share now, you simply by heart the documents. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Not good now. I know how to take care of you, okay? The interviews and all. Okay, so we are here yesterday. So the main concept is we are creating a server. In which cloud? AWS cloud. So creating server process is same in Azure, in GCP. Why? If you go to shop, if you want to purchase a laptop, if you go to any shop, the shop is located in Mumbai or Hyderabad or US. Your requirements is what? I need a laptop, Windows OS. Just what you want. So in this case, I'm creating a server. Creating a server means same configurations, which OS, which hardware and hard disk, RAM, CPU. These are all common if you create a server in Azure and GCP also. But the difference is what? Platform. The difference is what? Platform. The platform, Azure gives different platform. So here we are discussing what? VPC, yeah, AWS, custom network creation, VPC. So if you want to create a one server, where exactly server has to be located and which network? That network we can creating from the scratch here. The network is here. The network configurations are here. VPC, virtual private cloud. I mean, subnet, network inside network, and security group to allow authorized traffic, key pair, authenticate the server, route table to route the traffic. These are the concepts are coming to the AWS. Azure also we can create a server, but Azure the concept here we have a public subnet concept, private subnet concept, but in Azure public IP concept. If you want to give a server access to public, you can create a public IP and attach to server. There also VPC is there, but the term not VPC, VNet, virtual network. There also subnets are there. Here also subnets are there. Both are same, works based on the same principles. But the difference is here we have a concept is public subnet. But in Azure, there is no public subnet concept, public server concept. If you want to give a server public access, create a public IP and attach. The concept is little different. But yes, we can easily learn Azure with the help of AWS knowledge. Same like GCP. GCP also, GCP Cloud Engine. I mean, compute engine. Here we are calling EC2 in AWS, Elastic Compute Cloud. In Azure is VM, Virtual Mission. In GCP is compute engine. But all are working same process only, right? With OS, with RAM, with CPU, with hardware. But the naming and all may be different. Here we are discussing the 45 days of AWS knowledge. 45 days we are going to spend. For custom network, we are spending 2 days. But in Azure custom network, no need to spend 2 days, 3 days. You can easily understand with help of this knowledge. Okay, AWS is like that, Azure is like that only. Understand? Then GCP, same process. GCP also learn quickly. I will take care while comparing the clouds. So first you should learn one cloud. Good level. So the remaining clouds you can easily understand. Okay. So yesterday we discussed the concepts are what? The requirement is from my manager, deploy 2 applications. The applications may be written in Python, Java, whatever it is, Node.js, .NET, it doesn't matter. First, we should create a servers to deploy applications. And my manager is said here, 2 servers. The requirement is what? Deploy 2 applications into 2 servers. One is public, one is private. One application is accessible on the public internet. One application is accessible through private network. Okay. In this case, total how many servers are required? 2 servers. 2 servers requirement, the background network is required. VPC network is required. Inside subnets concepts are required. Why we are creating 2 subnets? 2 servers. 2 servers are a different requirement. One is public, one is private. If my manager is asked to create deploy 2 public applications, so I can create only 1 server, one public subnet. If my manager is asked to deploy 2 private applications, 2 private servers I can create into the 1 private subnet. The requirements completely different. One is public, one is private. That's what I'm dividing a network into subnetwork. One is public, one is private. Clear? One is public, one is private. How to divide the network? By creating a subnets. This is the 10.0.0.0 by 16 is a CIDR. This is entire network. Inside network, I'm dividing into 2 parts, or 3 parts, or 4 parts, 5 parts. How to divide? By creating a subnets. Clear yesterday concept is? Now today is little important concept. So that is CIDR block. Yesterday I told you, right? We'll discuss today. This is little challenging concept, definitely. So mathematics knowledge is required. Anyway. So let's delete all the servers. Deletion process, yesterday I told you, right? In the same reverse direction. If you directly go and delete VPC, it won't delete. Delete reverse direction. I mean, these steps are given, right? Just follow the steps from the reverse way. 8 is 1, 7 is 2, reverse direction completely. Okay. Let's understand, guys. If I go and create one VPC, okay, why we are creating VPC? Virtual private cloud, public cloud inside to get a virtual private environment. Okay. So if you want to create any server, first we should create a VPC. Okay. So I have created VPC, right? Let's delete a VPC. Yes, if you are having any questions, immediately connect with the mentors or share the screenshot into group. Okay, don't carry the doubts. Not good. Okay. Once you delete a VPC, subnets also deleted inside. Let's create a one VPC. Yeah, of course, chargeable. Okay. Yesterday we discussed the same process. Guys, anyway, focus for half an hour. Important concept, not easy concept. Not at all easy concept. Yesterday we created a VPC subnets, but I haven't discussed what it is. So in interviews, or maybe they can ask, how many subnets we can create inside the one VPC? Depends on the VPC size. What is your VPC size? Depends on the CIDR range. What is your CIDR range? 10.0.0 by 16, you can give anything. Clear? My CIDR range is for this VPC now. Let's take a new slide here. CIDR. What it is? Yeah. Classless inter domain range routing. Okay. Classless inter domain range. Okay. Today date is what? 3rd. So I learned good habit to mention date from this batch. Thanks, Shamshuddin. Okay. Classless inter domain range. So if I create a VPC, you can delete VPC also, no problem. Delete chargeable only. Yes. Can you focus first concept? Why you guys are not asking doubts in Telegram group in this case? Everyone is asking no. Okay. Focus now here. First requirement is what? I want to create a public server, for example. So public server means public subnet should be created in AWS. Private server means private subnet should create in AWS. But before that, two subnets run inside the VPC only, right? First, we should create a VPC. What is the size of the VPC? By choosing the CIDR. By choosing the CIDR. This is little difficult concept. I agree this, but try to understand. My CIDR is, okay, I'm giving my CIDR is 10.0.0.0 by 24. This series is there, na? 10.0.0.0. You can take any series, no problem. Okay. You will get a clarity at the end of the session, not at this time. Now, come to here. AWS is saying that CIDR block size must be between 16 and 28. We'll discuss why also. So in this case, can I take 24? The range between 16 and 28, right? If I take a 24, come here. This 10.0.0 series, your wish, you can take any series, no problem. This is IPv4 bit. That's what 4 digits. Okay. Let's go and now right here. Okay. That's what I'm taking. You can take any series. You can take 152.0. Something, you can take anything. But usually we are taking 10 series. Usually system also will take 10 series. Okay. Now the focus is this 24 is there, right? This is called net mask value. Okay. Now, by seeing this CADR, what is the size of your VPC? I mean, your VPC is able to generate multiple IPs so that you can create a multiple servers. Clear what I'm trying to say? 100 servers, if I want to create, I need 100 IPs at least. I'm talking about private IPs. 100 IPs. 1000 servers, I need to create 1000 IPs. The IPs will generate from where? Your VPC network. First, your VPC is able to generate 1000 IPs, then you can create 1000 servers. Clear or not? So VPC is generating IPs. The IPs count is depends on the selecting of CIDR. Okay. By choosing the CIDR, VPC can generate IPs. Okay. By choosing the right size of CIDR, generate IPs. Okay. Okay. Now, how to calculate IPs from this range? My net mask value is what? 24. This value we should subtract from 32. I will tell you why. 32 minus 24, how much? 8. We need to convert into binary format. Calculate, 2 power of 8. What is the 2 power of 8 value? Hmm? 2 power 8 value, how much? Huh? 2 power 8 value, how much, guys? 256. Okay. Now, your VPC is able to generate 256 IPs. If I choose 24. Clear now? Why 32? We'll discuss first. So just divide your range 10, 0, 0, 0. I'll come to that. Wait. Binary form I need to convert. Okay. So guys, each digit we can call octet, one octet. Okay. Or you know the relation bits and bytes. What is the relation? Hmm? 8 bits equal to 1 byte. 2 bytes. 1 byte is equal to, correct. Okay. So IPv4. IPv4. This is IPv4 one digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. Okay. So each digit is contains, huh? How many bytes? 8 bits, correct. So each digit is called a 1 byte. Okay. So 1 byte means the value is what here? 8 bit. 8. Octet byte, both are same. Okay, total how many bits? 32 bit. Clear now? 4 into 8. Okay. $32. So now if if I take the range is 10.0.0.0 by 25, how many IPs can generate? 32 minus 25, 7, 2 power 7, 128, right? 2 power 8 is 256, right? 2 power 7 off, right? 128. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now let's understand now. The conditions are very important here. VPC CADA range, if I take a example one now. 24 I'm taking example. So how many IPs able to generate? 256, right? 256 IPs. The network size is what? 256 IPs able to generate. Okay. In this case, how many servers, how many subnets we can create? Let's understand. This is my VPC just. VPC inside subnets can be there, right? We can create a subnets. Now, the conditions are subnets. My voice is gone now. Subnets should be in the range of VPC only. Okay. Same or in the range of VPC. Understand? The point is, is it possible? For example, this is VPC. Is it possible to get subnet like this? No. Subnets are part of VPC. This is VPC means inside you can create a subnets. In the range means inside of VPCs. Subnets are. Guess you tell me my VPC taking this CIDR block. How many IPs generating? 256. Is it possible to allocate 300 IPs per subnet? No. You can allocate all 256 IPs to your subnet or 128 for one subnet, 128 for one subnet, or 4 parts you can divide or 6 parts you can divide. How you can divide a network? For example, now you tell me simple logic here. This is my VPC now. Okay. This is my VPC now. So my requirement is to create a 2 servers. One is public, one is private. In this case, you are clear. How many subnets are required? 2 subnets are required. While creating a 2 subnets, we need to choose a CIDR range, right? This CIDR range is in the range of VPC range or out the range of VPC? In the range. So 256 IP is able to generate VPC means you can use total 256 IPs for one subnet. In this case, we can't create one more subnet. Or 128, 128. You can divide the network by sharing the CADR range. For example, 128 IPs this subnet is going to allocate. So here you can create a 128 IPs related to servers, not beyond. This subnet capacity is what? 128 IPs only. This VPC capacity is what? 256. Now, if I create two subnets, 128, 128, is it possible to get one more subnet? No, all IPs are done. Sharing two subnets only, half of the IPs for one subnet, half of the IPs for one subnet. So in this case, what I'm trying to say, let's go and understand now the concepts little bit. So let's go here. I'm taking it 24. Means what is the size of the VPC? 256 IPs. Let's create now. We'll see now. I'm giving the name is VPC CADR for better clarity. Okay. Create a VPC. So my VPC is ready. My VPC range is 10.0.0.24. Okay. And let's go to Excel now. Okay. Let's go to Excel. Guess you IPs are unique or not? Unique. Very good. Let's go now. So this is, I'm just giving VPC. The range is 10.0.0.0 by 24. The meaning of this CIDR range is the series will start from 10.0, 10.0.0.0. Okay, IP is 1. Next, 10. First focus on the concept, okay? Then you can focus on what is classless and all. You can go and check Google also will give what is classless, right? But Google will not give this concept. That's what focus here. Okay, guys. Now if I pull here, till what level range I can pull these IPs? 256 means 255, starting from 0, right? Let's understand. 249. Last is 255. VPC is able to generate these many IPs. Clear now? Now your subnet should use this range VPC, this range IPs only. These many IPs only. If my subnet 1, my subnet 1, 10.0.0.0 by 24. Let's understand. Subnet 1. How many IPs can allocate? Huh? Same range, right? So all IPs is allocating to only one subnet, right or not? Let's go and create a subnet. We can see now how it will work. Is it able to take all IPs or not? My subnet is able to take all IPs or not? Can I give all IPs to one subnet? System is accept or not? See the condition. What is the condition? Condition we written something, right? What is the condition? Should be same or? So in this case, can I take all the range for one subnet? Same range means what? What is the meaning of same range? What is the meaning of same range? In the range means inside. Same means what? Yes, what is the same range means what? Can I give same value? Okay. Let's create a subnet now. Subnet is part of VPC, right? Now VPC CIDR is just for understanding purpose. It is showing VPC CIDR is 10.0.0 by 24. Now my question is subnet 1 Okay, taking any availability zone. Subnet 1, can I use entire range? Able to create or not? That's what my question is. Yes or no? Same range, right? In the range. This is comes under same range. Okay, this is comes under same range. Let's give out of the range I want to give for example. Out of the range means what is the value here? 25 or 23? What is the resultant value of 25? More than 256 or less than 256? I want to give more value here. Out of the range I need to prove here. Out of the range I need to prove means what is the value? Net mask value less or more? Less. Why? If the value is less, resultant value is more. Agreed or not? See 512 IPs. It's not in the range, right? And also it's not same the range, right? It's out of the range. Out of the range condition is not satisfied. So, okay, let's, even though I'll create. What is the error? CIDR is not within the range. So, take a screenshot now. This error you can easily understand now. Yeah, 23 means, so didn't understand now, okay, no problem. 23 means you should calculate here. 23 means what here? Net mask value 23 means 32 minus 23. Value will be, resultant value will be more. Resultant value will be more means more IPs can be locking for subnet. But the more IPs you are locking, okay, fine. But your VPC is able to generate those IPs. Why? You are the part of VPC only. VPC is not part of in you. In this case, you should use the VPC generating IPs. But you are saying VPC is generating 24 net mask value means 256 IPs. But subnet is giving 23 means 512 IPs. How it is possible? Subnet is part of VPC. That's what the condition is what? Subnets should be same or in the range of VPC, not out the range of VPC. Out the range of VPC means if you are taking a net mask value is low, the resultant value will be more. That's what it is not accepted. Understand? Yeah, it will work 25. In the range, right? 25 means what? How many? What is the resultant value? 128 IPs are in the range or not? Yes. Can I give 24 also? Same range. Okay. So better understanding in detail what we can do. This is my VPC line. Okay. My VPC line. $256 IPs. Now subnet line is can I write same line in the range, same the range. This is in the range, but not possible out the range, right? That's what I'm discussing. In the range is possible, same range also possible. Let's prove the same range now. Same range means what? Same CADR I should use for subnet also, right? So this is what? 10.0.0.0 by 24. Subnet also I'm trying to use the same CADR. Yes, you can use no problem. Clear? If I use the same range, let's do it now. Same range, right? Like VPC. Created. Now same range, your one VPC inside one subnet is created, use the same range. Now in the VPC, is it possible to create one more subnet? If it is possible, what will happen? IP conflicts. Understand or not? IP conflicts means what? See now. This is VPC. All IPs taking one subnet. Okay, these all IPs taking only one subnet. Clear? All IPs taking one subnet means inside one server will create subnet inside. One IP will go. Random pick. If I create a one server, inside this range, server will pick randomly. same IPs you can generate for subnet 2. What will happen? IP conflicts will come or not? This IP allocated to subnet inside one server. If you use the same range for subnet 2, same IP will go for the second server. Both servers are having same IP. Is it possible? No. So, even though, let's try to create a subnet. This is a second subnet, okay? Subnet 2. This is not easy concept, understand. Even real time also everyone following the calculator. I mean, formulas are there. Some I will show you. Simply we can understand. Yes, correct. For then. Now, let's do it now. I'm creating one more subnet, giving the same range. Is it possible now again? Second subnet also I'm using the same range. Let's do it. What is this error now? Both are same errors or different error? Different errors. Before error is, it's not in the range. This error is overlapping. Subnet 1 already taking these IPs. You are again creating subnet 2 also. How you can allocate the same IPs for one subnet and other subnet? Clear or not? This is different error. Okay. So if I create multiple subnets with same range, overlap error will occur. Second error this is. Okay. So in this case, this network is, will it able to create two subnets? This network, will it able to create two subnets? No. The reason, all IPs allocating to subnet 1 only. You can divide equally, or like if there is a plan to create a multiple subnets inside the VPC, don't take all IPs for one subnet. Clear or not? Okay. So what I can do? Delete. Okay. Now again I'm creating a subnet. Different range now, not same range. In the range I will take. Not possible to change VPC CDR once create a VPC. Now I'm taking, now you tell me, in the range already proved, right? Sorry, same range already proved, right? We can do in the range. Tell me, in the range what value I can take? In the range means net mask value should be more or less? More. Less means high value will come. So can I give 25? 128 IPS in the range of VPC. Now, created a subnet. Clear? Let's go to again paint. This is the VPC, right? Let's take a same range example. Next, different range in the range example 2. In the range means this is my VPC line. Okay. In the range means this is my VPC line 10.0.0 by 24. Okay. So how many IPs? 256. Now subnet means I'm giving only 128 IPs. Right or not? Okay. What is the range I've given here? Subnet 10.0.0.0 by 25 net mask value, taking 128 IPs from the VPC. Still my ending? Still my end 128 IPs are left. I can use for one more subnet, right? Now you tell me those 120 IPs are left. How many subnets I can create? Can I create 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you can create until the range by increasing the 111 digit. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. But AWS is saying max is 28. You have to stop there only. I will tell you the reason also. So here the logic is very important now. My subnet 1 is created, right? Let's take the subnet 1. Here to, okay, let me delete. Clear? So this 10.02 to 128, 127, your subnet 1 is allocated. Clear or not? Now I want to create one more subnet. This is the important step now. Tell me, what would be the range now? Any guess? Okay. You guys are saying 26, right? Okay, you guys are focusing on net mask value only always, right? See now. 25 already done, right? So if I give 26, you tell me 64 IPs, right? Okay. Tell me the range now. From where it will start? Huh? Again 0, na? So you are saying the range is what? 10.0.0.0 by 26. Series will start from where? 0 again. But these IPs are already allocated or not? Then what error it will come? Overlap. Let's do it now. 26, right? Correct or not error is? Why overlapping? 10.0.0.0 series already completed till 128 IPs for one subnet. Clear or not? Till where? So till here, one subnet 1 is already taking these IPs. But the left IPs are what? I'm giving just space for understanding only. Okay. These IPs are all left or not? Till what level? The range? These level. Clear or not? So one subnet is taking 0 series, starting from 0 series to end at 127. Where the subnet will one end? Can we start from there to subnet 2? Right or not? Let's go now. Can I give here 128? The series is not completed. No one is taking, right? Subnet 1 took the series till 127 only. If I give 122 again, overlapping. 100 already done for subnet 1. If I give 100 also, done. If I give 200, not done. Right or not what I am trying to say? Or take 126 also done. 127 also done. 128 is not done. Clear? Now you can give the number. Net mask value depends on the number of IPs. Series will depends on the overlapping. Now you tell me, can I give 25? 25 already given, right? For subnet 1. But can I give second time or not? Yes, I can give. The series is different. 25 I have given when the series will start from 0 to end at 127. Again, I can give 25. The series will start from 128. No overlapping. Clear or not? If I give now, series concept is not understand. Guys, first see this line. This is VPC series. Start from where? 10.0.02 by 24 means what? Total 256 IPs it should generate. Series start from where? 0, 0. We are giving 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 till 255. Why 255? The number is, number of IPs are 255, 256. Why? 32 minus 24, 2 power is 256. Series starting from 0, right? That's what ended 255, not 256. Clear? whatever subnets you are going to create, you should use these many IPs only. But subnet 1 already use series start from 00 only. Till where? 128. Why 128? The net mask value is 20. This is 5. Clear? So subnet 1 already logged the IP still here. Now I want to create a subnet 2. So if I give the same range 10.0.0 already occupied for subnet 1, if you can give overlap, issues will come. So that's what still your end VPCN, these IPs no one use. No subnet can use this range. So you can start from this range. 127 already occupied for subnet 1. From here you can start. From here you can start for subnet 2 till 255. Clear now? But if you do like that, so now, okay, if I give 25, the range, 25 means again 128. If I give subnet to 128, okay, total how many subnets? 2. Now, is it possible to create one more subnet? No, 256 done, 128 and 128. Possibility there when, see, I will show you when it possibility is there. Tell me, I want to create 2 subnets, 2 more subnets by using the same range. Subnet 2, I'm creating one more subnet here. Subnet 3. Now let's decide the values, okay? Subnet 2 range. This is the VPC range for reference I'm showing here. Tell me. So the IPs are left what? From here only, 128. So you can take, still you have it 128 IPs. I want to create 2 subnets means can I divide 64, 64? Yeah. When the 64 will come? If the value will take 20, 26 or what? 10.0.0.128. The free range start from here. Then you can decide net mask value. How many IPs? If I give it 26, 64 IPs. Okay? Okay. Creating now. Now what about subnet 4? If I take 128, series start from 128, ends at where? Plus 64. 128 plus 64, what is the value? Huh? 192. The series will end at where? Subnet to 192. Huh? Okay, 192 here. 191. Okay. Series will end at here. Okay. Next IPs are what? 192.192 to 255. How many IPs you can take depends on the net mask value. You can take 26, 27, your wish. So in this case, I'm taking here 26 means 64. So 128 already done for subnet 1, 64 already done for subnet 2, still 64 is there. That you can manage one subnet or 2 subnets, your wish, by changing the net mask value. Clear no? Tell me here what value I need to give. 0.0 by 192, where the series will end, or 193. Here the value is 26. Clear? Or I can give 27. Still 32 IPs also left. Like that you can manage the subnets. Clear now? So here I'm taking 26, 64 IPs. Here I'm taking 32 IPs. 64 IPs means range will start from 128 to plus 64. 129, 130 till 64. After that, 192 I'm taking. If I take here 160, not possible. Already overlap. Series end at 192 for the before subnet. So 191. So that you can start from next series, 192. Clear now? Total 3 subnets created. Okay. So if you can open a subnet 3 here, 192.27 means plus start from 192, 32 minus 27, the value is 32. 192 plus 32, 200 change. Still we have a 32. You can again start from the subnet 3. Where the subnet 3 and 192, right? Can I create one more subnet? Let's go. Subnet 4, here I can give 10.0.0. Stop here. Okay. My series ended where? Anyway, so rough value, 212 something. Can I give 230? 230 by 27. Right, 32. 230 plus 32. 262. Right or not? Not possible. Okay, let's change 220. If I give, we'll see any overlap will come. Then I will change this series. 28. Then I will increase here. I mean, the value I don't know exactly where it is end. 192 plus 32, right? Clear? Create. Inside the range, 255 range, you can create how many subnets you want, you can create. But final agenda is what? Whatever subnets you are creating, the final agenda, those subnets should be in the range of VPC only. And next condition is it should not overlap subnet to subnet. That's it. The two conditions. Clear? Okay. Anyway, you will get a lot of challenges this phase. I know. Practice it. We will help you, the mentors and me. And now, very important thing is, I'm taking VPC is what here? 24 range. But can I take 23 also? VPC range. VPC, I'm not talking about subnets. If I take 23, what is the value? 512. So very important point you need to understand here. Very, very important. If I take 23 here, the resultant value is what? It's not 512. Series will start. I will tell you why. 10.0.1.0. Series will start from one series, not 0 series. I will tell you. 10.0.2.0. Like that. The 250 by 5 will come where? In the middle. Understand or not? Sorry, this series is wrong. Wrongly pulled. Okay. Okay, 10.0.3.0. Okay, I'll do one thing. Last value is what? Clear now? This 255 move here. Clear or not? Okay. Why? Why? This is why. Why means come. You need to remember that, okay? Yeah, more than 8 bit. Very good. Correct. More than 8 bit. So you are taking like this, right? Each value is what? 8 bit. 8 bit means how many digits? 8 bit means convert into numeric format. This is 8 bit, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, convert into numeric form. What is the value of this? Anyone? 0 only, right? 0 only, right? What is the value of? Very good, 256. If I want to write 257, tell me the digit is what? 8 digits already done, right? All ones means next series will come what? Huh? 8 digits already ones are completed, right? Next, I want to write a 257. If you want to write a 2, okay. Best example, come here. What is the value? What is the value? 1. What is the value? 3. I want 4. Is it possible now? I want 4. Is it possible? 4 possible when 3 bit will come. Right or not? Again 3 bit. 4 means 100. The highest value is what here? All ones. What? 7. But I want 8. 3 bit is enough. Increase one more digit. 8 want means, right? What is the value? What is the value? 8. See, if you need increase the range of the value, you need to increase the digits also, right? But here my digits are what? 8 bit. 1 byte equal to 8 bit, right? Highest value is 8 bit. 8 bit highest value means what? All ones only, right? 3 bit highest value is what? 7. All ones. 8 bit highest value is what? All sevens. You can check here in the Google. Value of 255. So if you convert this binary form into equal to decimal number 255. Clear? Now you tell me simple logic, understand here. Okay, understand here. Now my VPC is generating 10.0.0.0 by 23. What is the value? 512. So you should use this bit only. You can't increase 5th bit. I mean, we cannot increase one more bit here like this. This is IPv4. 4 digits only. We can't increase the 5th digit. So we should stick on the 4 digit only. In this case, what we can do? We can't increase the digit. We can't increase the digit means what? Each digit, what is the highest value? Each digit highest value is what? 255, 255, 255. This is the highest value of each digit, right? But if I use 512, is it possible? 512 is not comes under 8 bit. It can increase. So 255, 255 if you write means what is the, you can convert into numeric format. 1111. 111118. 111118. 111118. Understand now? Okay. Each bit here 255 will come means all ones 8 bit only. But I want 256. For example, 258. 8 bit is not sufficient. Ninth bit will come. Ninth bit will come means it's not support. It's IPv4, right? So ninth bit it's not supposed to come. Okay. 2 power 0 how much here? 2 power 0 how much? 1. So 255 will come. 1 plus remaining values are 255 will come. Clear now? Now I want 256 or 258 or 300 means we can't increase the size. So we need to shift the digit. Series 0 series shift to 1 series, 2 series, 3 series like the 255 series. It will increase beyond the level. Now if you can see here, the series is starting from 1 series, right? Okay. Next series will start from. So this is wrong actually. This is the correct. To like this. 1, 255. Clear? First series is, if you can see, 0 series, 255. Next series is what? 1, 255. Next series, anyone guess? Yeah, very good. 2. End set, 10 dot, 0 dot, 2 dot. Can anyone guess last digit for second bit? 2, next is 3, 4, 5. Ends at where? Very good. 0, 255 dot 255. Understand now? This series will start from 0, 0 done, 1 series done, 2 series done, 3 series done, 4 series done, till you end it where? 255 dot 255. So where exit the series will end depends on the choosing of CADR. My CADR, for example, minimum value I'm taking. See now, minimum value I'm taking. You will get a clarity. Wait, huh? Create VPC. I'm taking minimum value. Minimum value means resultant is more, right? See 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0 by 16 I'm taking. Minimum value, resultant value is what? 65,000 IPs. 32 minus 16, 2 power 16 is 65,000 change. Okay. Now, if I create a VPC, my VPC is able to generate 65,000. Series will start from where? 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0. Okay. Just understand. Series will start from again 10 dot. I'm talking about VPC, not subnets. And at where? 255, 0 series. And again, 1 series will start. Again, 2 series will start. Again, 3 series will start. Like end at 255.255. Still IPs are left. Next series will change. 1. Like that ends at where? 10 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255. Understand? Series will go like this. Till where? The range of 16. When the 16 will end, 65,536 IPs when the end, it will stop there only. Now you tell me, my 10.0.0.0. series start from 0 and set 255.255. In this case, simply can I write the best option is my VPC is 16 CIDR range, right? Now I'm going to create a subnet in a very easy way. Refresh here. Subnet 1. So here 10.0.0 by 24. I can give, right? Sorry, by 24. I'm using for one subnet, 256 IPs only. Okay. And 256 IPs only. I'm creating now. So I'm taking entire 0 series 256. 0 series enter I'm taking here for one subnet. Understand? I'm creating one more subnet. Subnet 2. Subnet 2. Can anyone guess here? 10 dot 0 dot 1 series. 0 series already completely done for one subnet. Now you can take this value your wish. Why I'm giving 24 entire series will take? Clear or not? For example, if I give like this, you tell me this subnet takes how many range of, how many series of range? Only one series? 1 plus 2 series. Why result is what? 512. One series will end at 255. Again, 2 series will start at 255. So same subnet taking 2 series, 1 plus 2. In this case, can I give One more subnet same range. For example, see now, 0 series is completely done for subnet 1. 1 series done for subnet 2. Not only 1 series, second series also done. Why? Giving the value is more here, 23. Now, third subnet, see now, 10.0 dot. If I give 2, you may think here, 1 already completed right here. So I can give 2. You may think like that, but this is wrong. Why? 2 series also done here. Resultant value 512. Start from 1 means end at 1.0255. Next series also will start. Why? 512 IPs, not 256 IPs. So here start from the 1.0 and set 2.0 255. So now this series will start from where? 3. End set depends on the net mask value what you are going to give. For example, if I give 26. Still 3 series can I use or not for second, third, next subnet? Yes. Why? 3 series start from 0 and set 255. But you are taking only 64, 3 series. 3 series still we are pending lot of IPs. 255 minus 64, 192 IPs still there. So I can use 3 also. Again. Like that you can manage. So simply how you can manage now? Simply for your practice, taking VPC for 16, right? And take each subnet for increasing the series. To 24 you can give, increase the series. Subnet 1 is 0, you can take. Subnet 1 is 1.0. Subnet 2 is 2.0. Subnet 3 is 3.0. Like that you can increase the value. Increase the 24 only. Keep 24 is common. Increase the 1 by 1 range. Clear? Let's remove. I will show you now what I'm trying to say. Okay, my end VPC is only there, right? Creating a subnet. So this is the first subnet. First subnet range is 0. I can give 0. 0 series also there, right? Next subnet range is 24. So 24 is common. You can maintain like this. 24 is common means each time 256 will take. So you don't have any confusion here. Next also I can increase. 24 is common. So 24 is common means each time 256 will take. So series will start to end at 2 also. So we don't have any confusions. If you're going to take a 24. Clear how to manage? Okay. And the last question to you. Let's delete this VPC. Create a VPC. Okay, I'm creating my VPC is 10.0.0 by 24. Again, same like before. Now you tell me I'm creating a subnet inside my VPC. My VPC range is 24 I have given, right? Can I give or not? Can I give or not? Here only the students are doing mistake. Answer is no. 100% saying yes, except few people. Why? My VPC range is then one series will come. My VPC range is what? 10.0.0.0 by 24. 24 means how many IPs? 256 IPs. So your VPC range is there any one series will come? 0 series only will come and end at 0 series only. Why? VPC is only 256. Your VPC is not able to generate one series. Why? The net mask value is 24. Net mask value is 24 means only 256 IPs is able to generate your VPC. More than 256 means one series will start. But your VPC starts at 0 series, ends at 0 series. If you use subnet 1, what will happen? Not within the VPC. Right or not? VPC is able to generate only 0 series, end at 0 series. Why? 24 I have given for VPC. For example, if I give 23, yeah, 0 series will come, 1 series will come. If I get 22, 0, 1, 2 series will come. Like that you can understand. It will take time, not possible to learn in one day. Practice. If you do the multiple times practice only, you can understand. Clear? Hmm. IPv6 we are not using at all. Digit will increase, right? 6 digit. Yeah, you can. It will go. It will go 512 also. IPv6 is different. I mean, no, there is no rule to use all the series. You can leave some series also, but it should not overlap. If you can leave also, no problem. Why we should not overlap? Simple reason. Simple reason you see here. Understand. Simple reason. This is VPC. Okay. VPC is generating. Yeah, two servers will have same IPs. If you give the overlap, understand or not? For example, this VPC is generating two IPs now, guys. Understand? In the range, two IPs VPC is generating. I mean, I'm taking only two IPs from the range. Okay. These two IPs allocating for one subnet. Subnet is created one server. So this server will take any one IP. Done. This IP is busy now. If VPC is allowed to create one more subnet, same IP, same range, what will happen? If I create one more server in the same of subnet, this IP also maybe it will go if the VPC is allowed. In this case, IP is not unique in this case, but IPs are unique. This is not correct, right? If you for example, phone number also unique. If you give a call to your friend, call should be go to your friend only, not your friend and other friend. If you use the same number, clear the concept is. Okay. Next, I think you most of the people are aware of ChatGPT, right? So no means create a ChatGPT account today. Okay, create a ChatGPT account today. See, I'm taking 10 series. You can take any series in between 20. See, for example, default VPC range start from 172. By default range, you can take anything. But usually we are taking this series only for in real time. Okay, go to ChatGPT. So try to work with ChatGPT, guys. Better understanding. You will get more clarity. So my VPC range is 16, for example. Give the 4 subnets CIDRs. So it will give a 4 CIDRs. You can use in 4 CIDRs. It is dividing. With explanation also. So any value is more than 255? No. Understand now? See, 4 subnets you can create like this. So they are maintaining one value is common always to understanding better. But what I'm saying, 24 you can take it. If you take it 24, we no need to focus here. Net mask value. Block. Clear? Like that. If you block somewhere, simply you can use the ChatGPT. Or we have a subnet calculator. Okay. Your VPC is, for example, 16. Okay. Now you can divide 65,534 is the list of IPs is going to be generated by VPC. Divide half of the IPs for one subnet, half of the IPs for one subnet. How to write? This is, oh, sorry, update. Yeah, update now, right? This is VPC range. Now one subnet can use 17. Other subnet can start from 128 to 17. Like that you can divide. Now, 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 now. Yeah, mostly this topic will ask in interview. That's what manually is very important. If they ask the question, I know ChatGPT, I know calculator, then why they can ask the question to you? Like this you can divide. Done. Clear? If you want, you can divide more again inside. You can use, these are the subnet CADRs you can use. Any CADR you can use. Both are, all are in inside only. You can take anything. Anyway, this sizing on, they will not, I mean, the organizations are not give to you this work. Architects will take care. They will not give to you simply. If they give to you, you may take 24 range. Later they can say we need to get multiple servers. Your VPC should delete and create again. So they will not give to you. You don't worry. Entry point of view. Yeah. Clear the concept of CADR? Hmm? Yeah, very good question. Yeah, see guys, the limited 28 max is right. The reason is simple. The CADR range is 10.0.0.0. If you take 32, for example, what is the resultant value? 0. No IPs will come. So leave 32 first. If you give 31, 32 minus 31, 2 IPs. So 2 IPs also not sufficient. If you give 30, 4. If you give 29, 8. 32 minus 28. If you give 28, 16. Why they are saying 16? Now? By default, AWS use 5 IPs, not 4, 5 IPs. First 4, last 1. First 4, last 1 means what? In this range, this 4 will take for AWS internal operations. Okay. Broadcasting, DNS service. And last one also. This one also. So if I remove the 4, if I remove the 4 from the list, remaining you can use only. If you remove the 4 means if you take a most value, if you, for example, if I take a 29, 32 minus 29, 8. But you are able to see 8 IPs, but you can use only 3 only. 5 can take the AWS internally. So that's what they are saying, 28 the minimum you can take. At least you will get some IPs to use. That is the purpose. No, it's not possible. Once we create a VPC, guess you tell me what will happen. For example, VPC is allowed to create a 10.0.0. by 24. If resizing option they will give. By mistakenly someone is resized, what will happen? For example, you created a VPC. Your VPC is generating 10 IPs. Just understand. 10 servers you created. 10 servers allocated with 10 IPs. 11 server not possible to create. If someone can increase the size, no problem. Decrease the size, what will happen? Decrease the size, what will happen? Limit 10 to 5. Indirectly, you are saying delete 5 servers only, right? Those 5 servers already working with 5 IPs. You delete means deleting. So not possible to resize the VPC CADR. Clear? That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.